Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica. Today's video is a haul. I'm excited to share some things that I got with you guys. So if you're interested in this video, definitely stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, I make motherhood videos. I talk about self-care and we do reviews on luxury goods. If that's something that you're interested in, definitely subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. I hope you enjoy this haul and let me know which piece is your favorite that I've gotten lately. I was just in a buying mood, guys, because I haven't been really out to the stores in a while. Some things have been on my wish list, and you know, I've just been kind of stalking the websites trying to see if they come on the site, and so we ordered some things too. So yeah, I have a piece that's been on my wish list for a while. I saw on Instagram this girl and I was like, wow, that's a really cool piece. I was like, oh cool, all right, that's different. And I've been stalking their website, Hermes, which is one of my favorite brands, and it pops up on the website here and there, but as soon as you get it in your cart and you check out, the thing is gone. And so I've been looking on the pre-loved market, and it's been very competitive to the prices that are retail and maybe some above the retail price. So I've just been kind of like just hanging in there trying to figure out what's the best route to take. I actually was on Vestiaire Collective, and I have a particular color that I had in mind. I wanted like a neutral color or maybe like a pink, and so I was able to get my hands on this piece. I negotiated the price down. That's one of the things that I love about Vestiaire Collective. I've already featured this piece on my Instagram. I have a little reel that I posted about like a little shopping day that I had, and this is the piece here. It's actually a toiletry piece. It comes in two different sizes. It is called the Bride Brock, and I got it in the fuchsia color with the pink and like a burgundy lining. This is a traditional style. I got this pretty much the same price as it's sold online, but it was in perfectly good condition. It haven't been worn, and I love it that it came with the box, so that was really cool. But yeah, guys, I picked this up. It's been on my wish list for a while. It is a travel piece, but it gives me like that Bottega Jody vibe as far as the style, the top handle, and it fits a lot in it. And I thought for summertime it'd be really cute just to have. You could just put it on your like arm here, and even I can use it for travel. It's really cute. I'll show you guys some close-up pictures of it. This is the small size, and I did get it from Vestiaire Collective, which is a site that I love. I'm either on Vestiaire Collective or Fashion File looking for pre-loved items. I trust them. And yeah, it's super cute. I'll show you some close-up pictures of it. But I got mine in the fuchsia with the pink and burgundy accent. So yeah, that's one piece that I picked up. I got this one last week. It came in the mail. You know, it takes a few days with Vestiaire Collective because the seller mails it to them. They authenticate the piece and then they mail it to you. And I'm happy. I'm happy with this. I would love to have gotten like a neutral or like a black. I have so many black bags, but that's just my lifestyle. The pink is really beautiful, and I think I get some use out of it with like white outfits. I got some plans for a different, like a little vacation that hopefully my family and I may go on. And this would be cute just to have. Camera phone with the essentials in it. It's easy, and I thought this would be like a little something, you know, good to get for summertime. Let me know what you guys think. One great thing that I love about this piece, and if you've been following me, you know I'm one of those people that love to get something that a lot of people don't have, or something that hasn't really hit yet. I think this is one of those pieces that that's gonna hit pretty soon. It is canvas. It's priced between the $500 to $600 range on Hermes. And just thinking about canvas pieces around the market, as far as like from Louis Vuitton, everybody has to up in their canvas prices. $500 range is really great because, you know, that toiletry 26 was $400 years ago, and now I think that thing is like $700 now. And this is a great size. The color is beautiful, and I think this is a piece that's going to look really good. I'm thinking about tying a twilly around it. I'm going to show you guys some inspirational pictures of how I envision myself styling it, just to give you an idea of the vibe that I'm going for and the inspiration that inspired me to get this piece, and see the different ways that I can wear it. But this is one of those pieces that's going to hit. The people at Hermes store told me they used to sit on the shelves for years and nobody got it. But nowadays, like in the last 2 years, it's become a hot commodity because it's never in stock at the store. The website, they sell out as soon as they get it on. I'm on there stalking it like a freaking like crazy woman. Like I'm really going somewhere. But yeah, so I got this, the Bride of Rock. If you have any questions about it, definitely message me on Instagram or comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And this is the small size. It comes in a large size as well, but I thought the size was perfect for me. And again, I got it from Vestiaire Collective for maybe a few dollars less than what it sold retail. Yeah, so I picked up that. But I was in the market for a new Twilly. Again, I showed this Twilly on my Instagram. Got so many rave reviews because it's so beautiful. The great thing I love about this Twilly, guys, is the diversity and the artistry that was put into this Twilly. It's gorgeous. It has a black tone. I told her I want to match my black bag that I have. And it just has these beautiful women on it. I actually was able to find it for my girlfriend because when she saw it, she was like, oh my God, I need that Twilly. So it is on the website. It's really beautiful. I love the color, the pastel colors. But I'm going to show you guys some close-up pictures of the Twilly, which is really beautiful. It has really beautiful black women on here, women of color, and I just love that. Even with the hairstyle, I just thought that was so gorgeous and just like interesting, and no other brand I've seen really high-end brand like this, especially a company like Hermes, and showing the diversity. This hands down is my favorite Twilly I have ever seen. This is like a collector's item that I feel like I would never ever get rid of. Just the beauty of it, and I just love like the display of the women that they put in this Twilly. You need this if you're a woman of color. If you just a woman, like just love to just, you know, women's it's a National Women's Month. Oh my God, I can't keep up. But yeah, gorgeous. I love it. I'm sure some close-up pictures of it. Again, I wanted it to match my black her bag. While I was in there, I've been interested in checking out their makeup. Haven't seen too many people talk about it. I've seen the packaging on Instagram. Really beautiful. I have so many different colors of lipsticks, and I was interested in seeing what they had. So I ended up getting one because I kind of wanted to go with a neutral at first because I have tons of reds and have colors of reds that are already my favorite, and I kind of want to replace those. So I was thinking about getting like a neutral that I feel like I will really gravitate to more. Because with a price point like this, I really need to get my wear out of it. Again, I displayed this on my Instagram page, guys. So if you want to see, I'll show you close-up pictures of it. Their makeup, their lipsticks do come in like a little cute little box. Love that. The packaging, hands down, at Hermes is like no other. It comes in this little lipstick holder, which is beautiful. I love this little canvas lipstick holder, and I love that it has like this brush gold. It's like a brush nipple. And I got a neutral color magnetic lid. Gorgeous. I love the detail, the beautiful Hermes logo here. Alright guys, so that was the video. I feel like all the pieces that I got, it was kind of like a little bit of everything. Oh yeah, and I recently got a cute little new water bottle because, you know, I'm pregnant. I gotta continue to drink my water. I thought the size was perfect. I love the black matte color. I got it off of the YSL like website. I got it off the Saint Laurent website. This is a Saint Laurent water bottle. But I thought it was a cute little thing. I got like a little tote bag for my girlfriend, which I don't know if I should do a separate video about this, guys, but Saint Laurent has this little area, and I don't know, I'm gonna list it here, but they have all these cute little gifting things, collaboration. I don't know what it is exactly, because I haven't felt the energy to dig into like who this is and what this was about on Saint Laurent website. But I was looking for like a cute little gift for my friend. I didn't want to spend over $100, and I got this cute tote bag for my friends from Saint Laurent. This is the best gift you can get anybody. Luxury gift. under $100. This tote bag that I got from my girlfriend. I ordered another one for my sister. So if you're getting a gift from me, you're getting this tote bag from St. Laurent when it's available. My sister loves it. My friend loves it. I was thinking about getting one for myself, but I have that nylon Chanel bag that I bought that I did a video on a few months ago, which I've been wearing non-stop. So yeah, I haven't bought one for myself because I have that, which is kind of like the same size as that like tote bag. But yeah, guys, I got this water bottle from St. Laurent. Super cute. Keeps the water cold, and I love it that it can fit in my bag, the perfect size. And I love it that it has like this little ring up top. I can kind of carry it. So I bought that as well. That's like something I bought in the last like month. But I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. All over the place. Let me know what you guys think. Which piece is your favorite? The Twilly is amazing. Come on now. Women of color on a Twilly. The cosmetic bag is going to be so cute this summer. Follow my Instagram so you can see how I style it. Let me know if you like the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And if you like my makeup look, I have a video about that as well. A little chit chat video, get to know me. I'm starting to produce more videos here on YouTube when I have time as a mom. But let me know what you guys think, guys. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.